I'm gonna show you how you can upload the videos on YouTube from your phone on 1080 HD. But before that, I'm gonna show you what not to do. So here we have the Photos app. This is the app that comes with the iPhone, and you know we store videos and images there. So a lot of people try to upload a video from there, and I'm one of those people. So what I did is this: I had a video and I click the little arrow down here, and then I select YouTube, right? But that was a big mistake. And the thing is that you can put your video up on YouTube in this way, but it's gonna be 720. You cannot pick the resolution, you cannot choose the resolution from here. You only have HD 720, and of course we want 1080. And I'm telling you this because I had a channel in the past, and that channel had about or plus 200 videos, and I thought they were 1080, and when I was looking at them I was like, it doesn't look as good as other videos, and I was wondering why, because I was making this huge mistake. And when I found out about this mistake, I wanted to like kill myself. I'm not really, but I was like so angry about it. So this is the way to not do it. Don't upload video from your Photos app. That's a huge mistake. So what you're gonna do is, another simple way is open iMovie right here. So you're gonna open it, then we're gonna click the plus sign here, and we're gonna look for a video. And I have a lot of videos, that's why it's taking a while to the app to open. And then I'm gonna go to videos, and I'm gonna select one of these videos that I have right here. So you gotta click here and then create movie. So once you have your video and everything like ready to go, you're gonna click on done, and then you're gonna name your video. First, I'm gonna name it first. Alright, and then I'm gonna click on the arrow right here on the bottom, and this is how you have to do it. There's no other way. I mean, at least I don't know any other way. And before there was an app called Capture, but I think it doesn't work anymore with iOS 11 Plus or something, but I've been doing it this way. So you're gonna click on YouTube, and then you have your name, your description, all that stuff, you know. And then this is the good part right here. You have size, but you have different ones. So you have medium, large, HD 720, and HD 1080. So we're gonna select 1080, and then that's it. This is how you can upload a video on high resolution from your phone. And then you just gotta click up here on share, and that's it. Your video is gonna be up on YouTube. One more thing, if you see that your video or this process that I had a little while ago crashes, is because your signal is weak. You gotta get somewhere where the signal is stronger, or find other place with internet and try to upload it from other places. But this way it really works, I'm telling you. And that's the only thing, because when I first tried to upload videos from iMovie, several times the app crashed, and I was like so angry and frustrating, because you know, like you want to post a video and things don't work for some reason, and you're like ready to go, and you know. But yeah, if it crashes, find another place where you have a better Wi-Fi. So that's it for me. If you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description. Thank you.